Check out these two plants. The plant on the left side gets light, but the ones on the right have not had light. Most plants can't stay alive without sunlight. Now let's find out why light is important for plants. Plants can make food by a process called photosynthesis. Photo means light. Synthesis means making. Photosynthesis means making with light. Plants make food in their leaves. They take water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. By combining these together in a special way, they produce two things: glucose, which can be used as a source of energy, and oxygen. To do this, plants use energy from the sun. In their leaves, there's a green substance called chlorophyll that captures sunlight. The light energy is used to combine water and carbon dioxide in a series of chemical reactions to produce glucose, a type of sugar, and release oxygen as a byproduct. We can write the word equation for photosynthesis like this: water plus carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight equals glucose plus oxygen. In other words, plants use the energy in sunlight to make glucose and other carbohydrates. These carbohydrates contain some of the energy that was originally in the sunlight. Glucose is like a basic food that keeps plants alive. When animals eat these plants, they get glucose, so plants are the source of energy for other animals. All the energy and all the food in the world comes from plants. A food chain can represent how this energy is passed along from one organism to another. Photosynthesis provides oxygen for the Earth's atmosphere. Animals and plants, of course, need oxygen for respiration. Oxygen is a byproduct of photosynthesis. It is released from the leaves of plants and mixes with the other gases in the atmosphere. About 20% of the air around us is oxygen. When the Earth was first formed, about 4.6 billion years ago, there was almost no oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. Scientists believe that oxygen first began to collect in the air when bacteria first began to photosynthesize. There were no plants at that time. They didn't appear on Earth until about 4.7 million years ago. If photosynthesis had not ever begun on Earth, then no animals would ever have been able to live here.